Hey, yay, hey, hey! It's the Blind Bearded Chef coming to you again in the same day. So yes, I have on the same clothes probably because I'm doing these recipes one by one and decide to hook my camera up and show y'all what I'm doing. Now we about to do the rum cake, the black rum cake or whatever. I'm used to making a regular rum cake, but I was looking at a few videos of the Jamaican rum cake and the other type of rum cake, so I put this one here together, and it's actually going to taste good. I think it's going to taste good because I like rum. Christmas Carol time. What song do I want to sing? Since that rum is strong. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha. Y'all, I'm so silly. Let's get this rum cake together, y'all. All right, y'all, let's do this black rum cake. In this container right here, let me show y'all what this is. This is raisins. That's raisins that have been soaking in rum and wine for about 6 days. All right, now what you gotta do with these raisins, I have my little chopper right here. So this is about 2 cups of raisins, maybe 2.5 cups. I'm gonna scoop them out of this container right here. So see, this is about a cup. Go like that. Look at all that rum. Ooh, when I tell you this aroma is nothing to play with. And I'm gonna put it in my chopper right here. And we are going to, I think I can get another cup in there. That's 1 cup. Let me see. Let me do 1 cup of it. Let me see, can that second cup fit in here? Yeah, I can do 2 cups. Let me put 2 cups of this. 2 cups of this, of these raisins in here. And when I say when they taste this, baby, when they taste this rum cake here, they're not gonna want another. So I'm about to put it in my chopper right here. Okay. I'm about to pulse it. My dogs don't like the blender, y'all. All right, I got them chopped up. This is 2 cups. Ooh, when I say I just not taste some of these raisins. When I say this is not to be played with, and I just soaked them for 6 days. Sometimes they soak this for 3 months, 6 months, an entire year. I can only imagine how strong. Let's put it in here. See that? Ooh, when I say this is strong, baby. I don't know who all gonna eat some of this cake for Christmas today. But they about to get it, baby. All right, for my dry ingredients, I got 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm about to put in there 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a rum cake like no other. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I need 1 teaspoon of my thing won't fit in here. 1 teaspoon of allspice. Teaspoon right there. 1 teaspoon of allspice, and we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of where's my nutmeg? I had it somewhere. Where did it go? Where did it go? Here we go. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I also have in here 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And that's great. You know I love my fresh nutmeg. That's the best. Let's grate it in here. So this one thing will be, I grate this whole thing in here, which will be 1 teaspoon. All right. All right, mix that dry all together real good. Mix it all real good. We're gonna set it to the side. All right, got all that mixed up. Put it to the side. You're gonna need 5 eggs. So I got 5 eggs cracked in this bowl right here. And in those 5 eggs, you wanna zest 1 lemon in there. So you wanna zest 1 lemon. Let me use my other zester. This side of the grater. So grate 1 lemon up in these eggs. Get that white part in there. Now that white part is bitter. I feel the oil spraying on my hand. All right, let's whip these eggs up with that lemon zest in there. So we're gonna whip them good. I didn't feel like getting the whisk out, so I'm doing it with a fork. All right, that should be good. All right, in this bowl right here, I got 2 sticks of butter, 1 stick of margarine. So that's 1½ cups. And I got 2 cups of dark brown sugar. So you know what we're about to do? About to cream up the butter and the brown sugar. All right, since all that's mixed up, let's scrape down the sides. And we're about to add the eggs to this in intervals. Make sure I got the side. Okay. Now, let's add, what are the eggs at? Let's add a little egg at a time. Let me use my ears. Okay. So we can do this in about 3-part intervals. Okay, now that's smoothed out. Let's add 2 cups of those raisins. I can't find my measuring cup, so I'm going to do these cups. So that's cup number 1. And I think this batter made 2 cakes, y'all. That's cup number 2. And we're going to do a cup. Oh, excuse my hand. I'm going to wash them after a while. You know we ain't gonna let that good wine go to waste. That wine and that rum mixture. So we're gonna do a cup. We're gonna put a cup of that. Yep. Put a cup of that in there. I'm telling you, baby, this rum cake ain't gonna be nothing to play with. Nothing to play with. Nah, let's mix this up in here. Ooh, y'all should smell that aroma, baby. Y'all should smell it. All right, about to add some more flavor, y'all. We're about to add, let's get this spice rum right here. Let's add a half a cup. I'm saying this is gonna be a badass cake. We're gonna do a half a cup of rum. I mean, half a cup of some more rum. Just a dark spice Jamaican rum that I bought the other day. We're going to do, let's see. We're gonna do a teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, teaspoon of that. And let me wipe this off on my towel, because now I'm about to put in some vanilla bean paste. I'm going to put in where is it? Right here. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. Vanilla bean paste is a little stronger than, I think I'm going to have to pour it. Yeah, vanilla bean paste is a little stronger than your regular abstract. Come on. Yeah. Okay, that's 2. I think that's 2. Yeah, that's 2. All right, so vanilla bean paste in there. All right, let's mix. Remember, we want this cake dark. So now we're gonna add some browning to it. Maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of browning. I'm gonna go and add it to the mixer right now. So I got my tablespoon. Let's put 1. Oh shoot, 2, 3. There had to be 3 right there. I didn't know I'd waste that much. Let this one here be the 4th one. You know, when your cake bake, it's gonna get darker anyway. You know, I can't see it, but I know that for a fact. Okay, so that's 4 tablespoons of browning. You can use Kitchen Bouquet, because that's a browning. And let's mix this in. Alright, let's add the flour and the nutmeg and all that in the batter. Let's add it slowly. I think I need a bigger bowl, but let's see, can I make it? Ditch the mixer. Make sure I'm in the. Had to ditch the mixer and get the wooden spoon and stir the rest of it. Y'all, when I tell you, I just taste this batter. Woo! It has some. It is strong. It is strong. After I bake them, I'm still gonna put some more rum on top of it. Yeah, happy holidays, y'all. Merry Christmas. And the reason I did the spoon, because I don't want to over mix. So as you mix flour, you know, it turns into, the gluten builds up. I think that's about it. All right, I think my batter is ready. All right, I got my pan floured and everything, you know. And I think this is going to make 2 cakes. And I got my oven set at 350, and we're gonna put them in there for maybe an hour, maybe an hour and 20 minutes. We'll see. Ooh, this batter is thick batter, and strong. All right, y'all. There go. It made 2 bundt pans, so. About to put them in the oven for an hour and 20 minutes. I have a pan of water on the bottom shelf, and we're going to let the steam rise up so they'll be moist when they cook. All right, see you in an hour and 20 minutes. All right, y'all. Look, they are ready. There go my rum cakes. There go one right there. It's still warm. And there go one right there. It's still warm. Now what you want to do is, you want to take some more rum. Take your rum, and we're going to pour some over it. We're going to pour some rum, and we're going to cover with foil paper. I just want to sprinkle it like that. So just want to sprinkle some rum on this bottom part like this. I got my hands washed already, y'all. So take that rum in like that. And take you some foil paper and cover it up. Let that rum settle in that cake. Make sure it's all covered. Cover that cake up. Alright, got them covered, and we'll let them stay covered for about 10 minutes, then I will release them out of the pan. Alright, let's unwrap these rum cakes. In about 15 minutes. Alright. Ooh, they strong. Alright. Let me get one of these boards, put it over it. Hold this flip out. Everything has flipped out so far tonight. Let's see. Wow, look at that, y'all. There go the rum cake, and ooh, that rum is kicking. Y'all see that? There go that one. Let's put this one over here. Baby, they gonna enjoy these cakes for Christmas. I done all this stuff. And let's go. Let's flip. There we go, baby. There go my black rum cakes. Oh, so good. All right, y'all. There go the rum cake. The black rum cake and everything. I made me a sample one, and when I tell you, this cake is strong and this cake is good. I can't wait for the family to taste it. So this dessert, number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever it is. So, Merry Christmas, y'all.